In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Coffin Keep Screen On from this developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When it's ready, you need to launch it, hit OK in welcome pop-up, and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. It's also helpful because over here you can always go back and change it to any other option you like 1 hour. But let's stick with Infinite for now. Now I will show you how you can set it up so it will always work on your Motorola. Go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner twice and edit your shortcuts thanks to this pen. Scroll all the way down, tap on plus icon located at the top right corner of Caffeine shortcut, swipe up, hold it, and move it to place it wherever you want to. When you finished, tap on this arrow at the top left corner, and now click on Caffeine shortcut until it's green. As you can see, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, click on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!